The Spektrum GPS Module Sportsman Plus adds reliable satellite positioning to compatible aircraft, making automated flight features far more dependable for new and intermediate pilots. Installation is straightforward thanks to the compact, lightweight housing, so it fits easily into most airframes without upsetting the model's balance. Once installed, the module greatly improves return-to-home and position hold functions, giving pilots extra confidence when flying at a distance. Integration with Spektrum systems is seamless, with the module communicating cleanly with the receiver, so you spend more time flying and less time troubleshooting. Build quality feels solid for such a small electronic component, and the unit stands up well to the vibration and temperature swings common in radio-controlled flying. Backed by Horizon Hobby's established support network, this module is a reassuring upgrade for anyone looking to enhance safety and situational awareness in their Sportsman class models.